Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel 90 Addiction. Here you are new, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. You can see in this video here are some dye planter ideas that you may find interesting. Number 1, Masoon jar plant. Turn an old masoon jar into a stylish planter by adding some soil and small plant. You can hang it from a roof of display and on a shelf. Number 2, wooden box planter. Build a wooden box planter using a reclaimed wood or plates. You can customize the size of shape of fit your space and plant a variety of herbs, shrubs and vegetables. Number 3, hanging planter. Create a hanging planter using macrame or simple rope. You can use a variety of materials including ceramic pots, mason jars or even old tin cans. Vertical planter. Build a vertical planter using wooden plates, PVC pipes or other materials. This is a great option if you have limited space or want to create a unique focal point in your garden. Concrete plant. Make your own concrete plant by using mold or creating from out of cardboard. One of concrete has said you can paint or decorate it match your style. Number 4, teacup planter. Repurpose old teacups or other small containers into cute planters. You can use to display succulents or other small plants. Number 5, hanging basket planter. Create a hanging basket planter using wire or woven materials. You can plant a variety of flowers or trailing plants to create a beautiful display. Number 6, terrarium planter. Make your own terrarium using a glass container, soil and small plants like succulents or air plants. This is a great option if you want to add some greenery to small space like a desk or bookshelf. Number 7, tire planter. Repurpose on old tires into unique planters by painting them or covering them in fabric. You can stack them and to create a tire planter or use them individually. Succulent planter. Create a simple succulent planter by filling a shallow dish or tray with soil and small succulent plants. You can arrange them a variety of patterns or colors or create a unique display. So that's it. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon and like this video for more these decoration ideas, tips and tricks. So kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more latest ideas and decoration. Ceramic plant boxes. Ceramic plant boxes are popular choice for outdoor space because they are weather resistant and come in variety of colors and patterns. Number 3, metal planter boxes. Metal plant boxes are durable and can add modern or industrial look of your outdoor space. They are often made from aluminum, steel and iron. Plastic planter boxes. Plastic planter boxes are lightweight and making them a great option for those who budget. They are also easy to move and come in a range of colors and sizes. When choosing a plant box, consider the size and type of plant. you want to grow as well as the climate in your area. Make sure the planter box has proper drainage and is large enough to accommodate the root system of your plant. With the right planter boxes and plants, you can create a beautiful outdoor space, enhance your home crop up. Planters are a great way to bring a touch of nature and beauty in any indoor or outdoor space. Here are some benefits of using planters. Number one, aesthetics. Plant can enhance the beauty of any space, whether a colony, a patio, or indoor area. They add color, texture, and life of your decoration. Space utilization. Planters can help you make the most of your available space. You can place them on walls, hangs from a ceiling, or arrange them on shelves to add greenery and interest otherwise empty spaces. So that's it. Yeah, this is video of planter ideas. So here are new here. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more these videos about decoration ideas. So like this video and please subscribe our channel 90K Addiction and press the bell icon for more videos. So thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.